guys, it's Indy5 here.
I can explain.
I'm super excited to tell you guys that this probably will be my first YouTube video. I was going to do an unboxing video, but it's probably going to be next week. I've just been super busy taking everything off the car. I did the hub, the spindle, well, basically the whole front suspension, took out the axles. I've been prepping the wiring, so I've been labeling it since it's my first time taking out the engine. I got everything chained up, ready to take out. I'm just taking a little break to give you guys this video, and then I'm gonna jump right into it.
See, look, I be pulling up to my city with a black tee, with a black hat and a black cat, that's me. If you wanna ask me, I even fucked Ashley. Hit her from the back, my nigga, she got some ass. I had her ass up, face down when I was kissing her ass cheeks. Talking on the neck, pussy nigga better at me. Grab the gun, I'm on the roll. Hit a 6 on the dice, bitch, I'm out the door. Stupid nigga, don't test me, I got some more. Cool with the hits like a pop it, like it's the phone. They tried to ask who is nicest, LCL's of course. Chop your head off like ISIS and hide the corpse. I'm that man on the poster, 100K reward. Splash off in a new Ferrari, bitch, you got afford. Baby girl is a light skin, I'm cooking s'mores. Hear the crowd going crazy, think they want some more. We cooking up in the backseat, now here's your order. A 2-piece with a milkshake, now hit the door. And if you need me, it's LCL's, the man your girl adores. Can you open up the door? I'll be knocking on the door like, can I get some more? The pussy was fire, but the head is I adore. Like Miley Cyrus, my life is in a crisis. Double cross me, you cannot cross me. Mozzie, wanna toppy, I keep the stocky. Milwaukee, and I was counting all these bucks. I was fucking
Man, you're getting in some dangerous places, though. Can you say hi? Hey guys. So it's been a couple days, obviously. I think I started this on Sunday. Today's Tuesday. So it's been raining. That's why there's a tarp over the engine. But basically, recap. Obviously, I shot the footage in the wrong angle. Beginner's mistake. Good for him. I did lift the engine up really weirdly. If you can see in the video, I lifted it up like this. That's because the chain started slipping to one side because I didn't have the centerpiece where the hook was at. It wasn't in the middle per se. It didn't want to like be there. It started gradually going towards the transmission, and it just started going that way, and it was already committed. So I was like, forget it. Obviously, when I started looking at more of the car, there's a lot of missing parts. If you guys look at the videos, like, why is it so short? It's honestly because I had maybe 3 missing bolts on one of the transmission mounts, and one of the other transmission mounts it just kind of like fell apart. The front one was kind of hard, but like as soon as I got that one off, it was pretty self-explanatory. Back one was easy to take off. But I ended up getting it to my backyard. My nephew actually knocked down my phone. That's why I can record the rest of it. I thought my phone was broken. It went off for a second, and then I put it on the charger. I guess it died at the same time. So more videos, but that's that. I don't have anything else, but go check out my video next week. I will be posting again. It will be unboxing my new Progress rear sway bar and a couple other things I got when I was transitioning into building my old car into a track car. So I haven't put him on the card, so it's kind of like unboxing him. So stay tuned, guys.